I'm gonna graft those tuya teddy on my big tuya tree. This will be quite long project. I think this installation will stay here for a long time, at least about a year, maybe longer. So let's check what we can do. There's a beautiful dead wood here, and I hope this can be made as a quite compact tree. For now it is like a shrub. Who knows, maybe we can check two ways of graft during this movie. In the future I hope I will show you the result of this today's work. For this project I'm going to use tuya teddy, and I will graft them on my huge old tuya. This variety has small needles, and I think it will be ideal for this kind of project. So now we have to plan our work. First I'm going to mark places on my mother tree where I want to graft my tuya teddy. And in this movie I will show you two different ways of grafting. So hopefully it will be quite informative video for you. Lots of technical stuff, and we'll see the end results, I hope. I don't have much experience with grafting, so I think you can learn on my mistakes. For this kind of job I will have to use a sharp knife. I don't have a grafting knife, so I will use new box knife. Didn't use before. Grafting tape will be quite necessary, and maybe I will use also cut paste to secure it. I will do approach grafting, so the roots of graft tree will stay as it is. It will stay in the pot. And I will also prepare a few scions to make grafting in other places. I can then check what methods is better, and what works and what doesn't. So this is kind of test also. I'm looking for long branches to have a place to graft. Here we have quite long branches, so this tree would be a good candidate to use as an approach graft. I need to make a place for future grafts, so I don't need those lower branches here. Okay, so this tree is ready. I would like to put graft here, and with those branches I'm going to use the second method of grafting. So I'm going to do similar way with all other trees. So I will prepare a branch that will be grafted as approach grafting, and I also prepare scions. I will show you in the moment how we should prepare them. I've already prepared the trees and the branches that I want to graft. So now I have to prepare my scions. I'm going to do more grafting than I need. I think not all of them will survive. So to make a grafting, I will use this grafting tape, and this will helps me to hold the transpiration, and I can wrap this grafting tape around my tree. So this is the first one, and all of them right now will be done in the same way. trees for graftings are prepared. I have also a few scions prepared. Now we can move to the next stage, so let's go to the tree. Unfortunately, I don't have much place between those branches here, so I think that in this case I will use 3 approach graftings, and in other parts that I've planned I put the scions. Okay, maybe this will be a good place for this graft. Tree is secured, and now I'm going to put cut paste. And second graft will be done. So now I need to find a place where I want to put this graft. This is this place. I will mark it. Secured. Now I can put again cut paste around this cut, and we will see what the results will be in the future. Now we have 1, 2, 3 approach grafts. Now we can move to the second method of grafting, so the scions. So I will show you an example and then I will put the rest. So I'm gonna use this one. What I have to do, I have to make a cut here and make 2 clean cuts on my scion, one longer and a little bit shorter the second one. So 2 clean cuts, and now I can just smoothly put it on the place. And I will have to secure it with my grafting tape. So we have this scion in place here. I'm going to put other scions in place and I'm going to show you the end results for today. and I finished. I need to admit that it was much more difficult than I expected. It was my first this kind of job, so I'm not sure what the result will be. I hope it will not be completely failure. I've put lots of scions there, and also I used free approach grafting. There was not much space for my big fingers, so maybe this was also some kind of challenge. Now I need to just wait and we will see. So stay tuned to see the future results. Bye.